Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. If you accidentally deleted your YouTube channel, don't panic. In many cases, it can still be recovered if you act quickly. The recovery process depends on whether you deleted only the YouTube channel or your entire Google account. Since Google only keeps deleted accounts for a limited time, it's important to start the recovery process as soon as possible. Now let's get started. If you deleted a brand account channel, open your web browser and sign into the same Google account that owned the channel. Now go to myaccount.google.com/brandaccounts. Here you'll see a list of your brand accounts. Look for the deleted brand account. If it's still within Google's recovery period, it will appear with a status showing it's scheduled for deletion. Select the deleted brand account. Then choose the option to restore or cancel deletion. Confirm your choice when prompted. Once the restoration is complete, open YouTube Studio and check that your videos, subscribers, playlists, and channel settings have been restored. It may take a few minutes for everything to appear. If you deleted your entire Google account, you'll need to recover the Google account first. Go to the Google account recovery page. Sign in using the email address of the deleted account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and recover the account. If the recovery is successful, your YouTube channel should also be restored along with your other Google services. If you don't see your deleted brand account or Google tells you the account can no longer be recovered, the recovery period has likely expired and the channel has been permanently deleted. To avoid losing your channel in the future, make sure your recovery email address and phone number are up to date and avoid permanently deleting your Google account unless you're certain you no longer need it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.